what's going on?
It's going back to the shop. This time it just won't start. Previous times there's been issues with the head gasket. There's been issues, you know, with I think some hose or something, man. Just, you know, constantly malfunctioning. The time before this, we would crank it and it would take a minute before it would start. Time before that, man, I don't know, you know what I'm saying, it's been all over the place. It's just, you know, you get one thing fixed, another thing malfunctions.
Are you gonna fix it again?
Yeah, I think we're getting it fixed.
How does it feel being a car owner?
Feels good, but you know, I mean, you gotta take care of the cars, man. You know, sometimes, you know, your cash car, you know, has some technical malfunctions. And you gotta take care of it.
Can you do without a car?
Like without any car?
As a musician, as a...
You can, bro, but it's not easy. It's not as as convenient as it would be if you had a car. It's not impossible, but it's just not. It's definitely not fun. It's not the move. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's not fun, but it's not the move, you know.
What's the difference between being a car owner and not being a car owner as a musician?
Besides having a car and not having a car, I'd say just overall, like, your dependency level, you know what I'm saying? How reliable you can be. Obviously, you can still be reliable without a car, but you know what I'm saying, when you have a car, it's a lot easier to, I guess, be reliable, because you don't have to rely on other people for
Alright, I'm gonna let you go talk to
rides.
Oh, rely on people for rides?
Yeah.
Alright, let me let you go handle your business. Signing off.
I make it idle for a little, and then it's fine. You know, every time I turn it on, it starts.
Okay, so, and I seen you like go in there and like poke at the thingamajig that got loose.
The start.
So, you tried to get like a screwdriver too, like, cause that was the issue, is that it was a loose. Cause like usually it would turn on whatever, like it would give me a little, you know, a little something.
Yeah,
like,
but the starter is all the way here.
Like,
see, you have to have a light. So this wire here is the one that was loose. This little one here, the plug here, that was loose.
okay.
So that's what I push on.
You just gotta poke it a little bit?
Well, push it, make sure you push it on. Because if you take it off, there's no way to get to it unless you take off all of this. If we have to change the starter, we have to take off all of this to get under there. It's a pain, but I don't think anything is wrong with the starter. It's from you trying to crank it and start it, it becomes loose after a while. But, like I said, I don't know what this guy did. If you think about it, if the fuel pump was bad, why would it keep starting every time we turn it off?
True.
You see what I'm saying to you?
Yeah.
When you drove it away from it, when you took it the last time, didn't it drive?
Yeah.
So why all of a sudden the fuel pump would be bad?
Well, and also, whenever I would drive, like, if I would get to like 30 miles per hour, it would like, it wouldn't accelerate even if I press down, and then I have to release, and then it would go up, and then if it got to 60, it wouldn't let me get past like 80.
I don't know, if you want to change the fuel pump on it, we can change it, but what I'm saying is, to me,
Probably your new engine.
the problem is, I don't know if the problem that you had before was fixed. The only thing I see, I'm thinking no, is because if I do this, you see that?
Yeah.
The car is not even hot. And the pushing pressure through that. That tells me you don't fix the problem. See? These are cold. See left. This. The fan is not even coming on. He hasn't done anything to the engine.
Head gasket means engine?
Yes, because what happens is the pressure that's supposed to be in the engine is pushing out through this.